In this video, we'll guide you through the installation process of acrylic letters, showcasing their extraordinary texture, brightness, and variety of vibrant colors make your brand more eye-catching. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting content and stay tuned for our latest products. Hey there, this is Tony. Welcome back to my channel. I've worked in LCSIGN for more than 5 years. I serve more than 100 professional sign companies from all over the world. Now let's dive into the installation process. Transforming any space with high-quality acrylic letters is a quick and easy way just to feel simple steps. Before we begin, let's gather all the tools we need for installation. Step 1. Tap the installation paper to the wall. Step 2. Drill the holes. Step 3. Screw the screw onto the product. Step 4. Apply glass glue. Step 5. Insert the product into the holes. Check out the amazing results. Not every sign manufacturer can provide you such a perfect installation solution, but with our high-quality signs and attention to detail, you can trust us to deliver the perfect sign solution. Then why wait? Transform your space today with our top-notch acrylic letters. Visit our site or contact us to explore the wide range of options available. Make your sign worth shine. And if you want to get your own sign, click the link in the description. We have the sales representative 24 hours online. Thank you for watching and see you next time.